to play.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. Emergency programming has been interrupted to bring you this national emergency message. The Frigovirus, or L23FGVID, has been detected within the boundaries of the contiguous United States. This virus is extremely dangerous and has already caused the major Southern Asian nation of Pakistan to collapse. Starting tomorrow, March 20th, at 2:00 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the United States of America will enact a full lockdown of all non-essential businesses and services. If the situation escalates to any way similar to nations heavily damaged or collapsing, the entire United States will enact martial law. You must be aware of the virus capabilities entering this emergency. If you begin to show any of the following symptoms, call emergency services immediately. Loss of appetite, sudden and severe pain in muscles and joints, epistaxis or nosebleed, sudden abdominal pain, or any signs of hemorrhaging. Per the lockdown standards, you must follow restrictions similar to that of the COVID-19 pandemic. If outdoors or in a public space, physically distance from 6 to 10 feet away from others.
W1 start Jinkia. Yes, let's go on the chasing.
You can't run hard, fly cat. Ha 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 ha.
Stop right there, start Jinkia. Yes, friends are coming.
Oh no, it's Olivia cat. I'm gonna run.
Yeah!